Hey folks, welcome to another video. This is a quick unboxing of the new sleeve plus lanyard for your GoPro. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you will get notified whenever I put a new video. As you can see, the box comes like this. Into the back it have some description. It's priced around 1,800, compatible with your Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black and Hero 2018, which is the Hero 7 Black, Hero 7 Silver and White. So without further ado, let's unbox. So this is a case. This is actually the silicone material with a lanyard. This is quite long lanyard. You can open the ends like so, and this is also adjustable. By using this piece, you can adjust the length so that you can either put it on your hand, or you can use this all the way up to the end. You can put it on your neck. The color is pretty decent. The looks cool, and on the front you have a GoPro logo. To the side you have a microphone hole plus the mode button on top with the red colored camera button. Onto this side you have another hole for microphone, hole for the bottom microphone and the speaker grill. On the side the lanyard is attached. It's quite strong and sturdy, as you can see. So I'll put on the GoPro inside this and we'll have a look. So this is how it looks once you put the GoPro inside the sleeve, from the side, from the bottom, from the front view and the top. From the back side you can access the screen. So it looks quite nice. The use of this is you can carry it around your neck, so you don't have to carry another stand or a tripod while you're traveling. It becomes very handy. The only downside for this when you're using a Hero 7 Black is that you have a display over here which is being covered. But other than that, if you're taking this for a casual photo shoot or something like that, this will come very handy. The material looks quite durable and so high quality silicone. And that's it. This is a quick unboxing of GoPro sleeve plus the lanyard. If you have any questions regarding this, please comment in the comment section. So that's it folks. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.